In this video, I'll show you how to change your Cash App PIN. Firstly, launch the Cash App on your iPhone or Android device. Then tap the account icon, which looks like a person inside a circle. In the account menu, select Privacy and Security. Under the Security section, tap on Change Cash PIN. You may need to scan your finger, Touch ID or Face ID to verify your identity. Now, all you have to do is, depending on your device settings, confirm that you are the one using or trying to change the Cash PIN. This is also for security reasons. Finally, enter your new PIN and then re-enter it to confirm. Your Cash App PIN is now changed. Make sure to remember your new PIN and keep it secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.